Have you ever wondered if one natural herb could boost your energy, improve your strength, reduce your stress, and even improve your testosterone levels all at once? Well, today, I've got something powerful to share just for you. Whether you're in your 20s, 40s, or beyond, this video will help you unlock the power of ashwagandha, especially for men like you. Ashwagandha, also called Withania somnifera, is an ancient medicinal herb used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. It's also known as the Indian ginseng, or strength of the stallion, for a reason. This root is a powerful adaptogen. Adaptogen means it helps your body handle stress and regain balance. Let's start with one of the biggest reasons men love ashwagandha. It naturally helps increase testosterone levels. In fact, a study showed that men who took ashwagandha daily saw a significant rise in testosterone and muscle mass. More testosterone means better performance, energy, confidence, and more libido. If you've been going to the gym, ashwagandha might be the secret supplement you're missing. It helps improve muscle recovery, strength, and endurance. Studies show that men taking ashwagandha can lift more and build muscle faster. More gains, less fatigue. That's a win. Let's be real. Stress can affect every part of our lives. Ashwagandha is clinically proven to reduce cortisol, which is called the stress hormone. More cortisol means low testosterone. Ashwagandha reduces the cortisol levels and boosts the testosterone levels in the body. When testosterone levels increase, this means better sleep, sharper focus, and a calm, clear mind, without feeling drowsy. It's like a reset button for your mental health. Ashwagandha also supports men's sexual health, increasing libido and improving sperm count and motility. If you're planning a family, or simply want to feel more alive and confident in your relationship, this herb might become your best friend. Now the big question is, how should you take ashwagandha? You can find ashwagandha in capsules, powder form, or even teas. The usual dose is 300 to 600 milligrams per day. Ashwagandha could be taken in the morning or evening. It depends upon your goal. What is the best time to take it? If you need energy, take it in the morning or evening to boost your confidence in the bedroom, depending on your goal. But always check with your doctor, especially if you're on other medications. Ashwagandha is safe for most men, but not for everyone. Avoid it if you're pregnant, have hyperthyroidism, or certain autoimmune conditions. Start slow and listen to your body. So brother and sister, if you're looking for a natural, time-tested way to boost your energy, your strength, your confidence, give ashwagandha a try. You don't need magic, just ancient wisdom backed by modern science. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below. Have you ever tried ashwagandha? What was your experience? And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. More health videos coming your way soon.